My family is from Fort Capel in Saskatchewan, so that is where my Métis roots started. My mom is Métis and French, and my dad's Irish. My mom was a home care attendant for most of my life, and she ended up going back to nursing school when I was just about finishing high school. So she went back to nursing school as a mature, advanced student. It just really inspired me to see her go through that and to see her passion for the job. I think it's important to have people who represent our population who are in the healthcare system treating our population. So there's a certain level of understanding and a certain level of push forward that you have for innovation and for fairness and for equity that is coming from a place of understanding. And for myself, as a white Métis person, I understand that there's only a certain level of understanding I will ever have of those things. But that doesn't mean that I can't push to have a more equitable space for all, and that I don't see those injustices happening, and I can't be an ally or a voice for that in my own way as a white Métis person. The Métis people are such a cornerstone of Manitoba that it is really important that we include their voices in healthcare spaces, in political spaces, and things like that. I would encourage anybody who is thinking about nursing to go into nursing. It's definitely a hard career. It is something that you truly have to want to give your heart and soul to, because we work with people in their most vulnerable moments, and it can be hard, but it is also one of the most rewarding things. Recognizing that we are part of a big system, and we are some of the only parts of that system that goes into community, where community doesn't come to us. Recognizing that we are being welcomed into these spaces, and that is a privilege for us to be able to go into someone's home and to provide them their health care in that way. I love it. I'm very, very lucky, and I recognize that I am very, very lucky to be passionate about what I do and get to work every day doing something that I truly love to do. It just to see people thriving and to know that you even played a small piece of that, or to know that you've helped them overcome something that was challenging for them and things like that is really rewarding. It's the stuff that fills your cup up at the end of the day and keeps you coming back the next day.